tip-off goes to Denver. To the inside. It's stolen by Gobert. To the paint. And he banks in the layup. Here's the Nuggets with the ball. Jokic. And good on the basket. Book it.
It's got to be nice for them to know that game in and game out, his offense is going to be there for him.
Minnesota with the ball. Now let's find out what head coach Mike Malone had to say to Doris Burke. Doris, outside Conley. A finger roll finish at the bucket.
Not trying to rattle any rims or racks there. Just up and in with the finger roll.
We're about 1 minute into the first. Powered down as the whistle blows. A three-point play chance.
He is one guy you do not stand in the way of when he decides to attack the rim.
That free throw good from Gordon. Now here's Conley. That's tipped. And they're on the break. And he's going after the alley-oop. Hammers the alley-oop through. Now the Timberwolves with it. It's a three-point game. Anderson. First quarter, about a minute and a half in. Conley left side. Just 5 to shoot.
And there's something else on his resume that can't be overlooked. Just how many times he's taken over at the end of close games and carried his team to the win.
This is his first free throw of the game. That one misses. Pass to Caldwell Pope. Now Porter. Here's Caldwell Pope. Out of bounds. Minnesota takes possession. The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. Now here's Conley. He's got 5. Pass to Anderson. And here is Conley. Got a piece of it. 6 on the shot clock. That 3 off the mark. Timberwolves on defense. Trailing by 2. So he gets the whistle. Contact on the way up and 2 shots coming up. The first one falls. Gordon hits both of them. First quarter of ball, almost 2.5 minutes in. Pass to Anderson. Knocks it loose. Out of bounds. Denver takes possession. Inside. Now here's Gobert. Jokic, and he slams it one-handed. Here's Conley. Minnesota calls timeout. The Nuggets making a switch here. Poked loose. Pass to Anderson. Towns. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off. Denver in the lead. And here's Porter. And so he draws the foul on the shot. A trip to the line to shoot 2. And the first one drops. And Porter drops them both. Conley with it. He has 5. Pass to Anderson. Ball's knocked loose. 0. Shot clock at 6. 0. Blocked. Here's Gordon. They get it back. Porter. Here's Conley. No good trying to beat the buzzer. And we reached the end of the first quarter. Nuggets ahead. And the first quarter is in the books. Second about ready to get underway. And from what we've been watching, guys, with the Nuggets, what are you seeing out there? It's stolen. Murray puts up the baby hook. It's good, and he drew contact on the shot, so he will go to the line. A three-point play chance here. And he'll be shooting his first free throw of the game here. Okobo drills it from outside.
I like the offensive awareness to exploit that lack of coverage on that play.
Stripped away. Fast break, here we go. Rebound by the Nuggets. Their biggest lead of the game was 9. Pass to Porter. Here's Caldwell Pope. Cannot hit. Quarter number 2. We're about a minute in. Knocked loose. And they're pushing it up. By himself. Rips down the breakaway slam. The Timberwolves trail. Okobo. And there's the rejection. And here's the fast break. And it's thrown down hard with both hands. And we're now about a minute and a half into the second quarter. Here's Gobert. One-on-one fast break. Pass to Caldwell Pope. And it's going to be a goaltending call here, so they'll count the bucket.
He got there late, but you do have to like the aggressiveness to go after the block. But that one's going to count.
And the Timberwolves call time. And Minnesota has possession. A 12-point game. Here's Gobert. Pass to Anderson. And we're about 2 minutes into the second quarter here. 5 to shoot. And they force the shot clock violation. Great D. And the Timberwolves making a change here. And here's Porter. And he gets it to go. 8 points for him.
Oh, I tell you what, nice little run here they're going on.
And here in the second quarter of action with a hair under 2.5 minutes played so far. They set the screen. Here's Brown. And he was fouled in the act of shooting. Chance here now for a three-point play.
The second he got around the pick and shook his man, it was straight to the bucket for the easy deuce. Very, very well done.
Now here's Gordon. 5 points in the game. Here's Machado. Tipped away. Here's the break. And the whistle blows on the backcourt violation. He went over and back. Pass to Brown. Boom, he jams it straight down. Jokic, and there's the slam dunk to finish it off. Got a piece of it. Here's Machado. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. Denver on D. This is the most they've led by 13 points. Here's Gobert. Nice pass. Led him to the rack perfectly for the layup.
Shooting much better here in the second quarter.
Pass to Caldwell Pope. And the three off target. Here's Machado. Here's Gobert. Leads him in there. Towns. And so he earns a trip to the line. Officials saw the contact and he'll shoot two. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. The first one falls. And that's good as he hits both of his shots. Back to Gordon. Left side Gordon with 2 seconds left. No good.
You can see how much the defense respects him. I mean, they were all over him on that look.
And we finished one half of basketball.